start on the outside today. Looks like the electricians have been doing some work here, getting some wire pulled between the house and the shop, or at least preparing to do that. Let's go in the shop and see what's going on in here. It's kind of a mess. But we see, I'll start over here. So we've got some cabling that you can see here. So we started to wire up some fixtures here in the shop. And then it looks like they've got the cables pulled, some cables at least pulled into the shop here. So that is in progress. There's a panel over there that'll be in here as they get that project finished. Lots of boxes in here. All of our closet system is here, but as you'll see, they've got some wiring done for some receptacles, and then some shop lights. I don't know if you can really see that very well, but there's some wires pulled for that. And then over here, garage door opener up there, and then lights and such here. So lots of tile. Now we're enter the laundry room. It's kind of dirty right now, but you can see the tile, although it's got a lot of clay on it from people walking on it. And it's also the place where all the boxes are getting stored for all the fixtures. But in any case, here is the cabinet with the countertop now installed. I think it looks great. It's nice, deep utility sink. I really love that underneath the window. Looks good. They finished the wood floor here, so now this is the transition to the living room, or to the laundry room. And then the transition into the front hallway. Doors open today. It's a beautiful day. So stone masons are outside. We're going to go check out what's going on in the master bath. A lot of work going on in here. Starting the tile. That looks awesome. We did get the countertop in. I don't see it that well. And there it is. Got some deliveries in here as well. Looking great. Okay. Make our way out into the main living area. So we're looking at the kitchen island and the kitchen cabinets from here. Butler's pantry. We'll get some close-ups here in a minute. There's the lowers. And the stove will go right here. And then the other side cabinet. And then here we have the hood vent. And then here we have the island. So dishwasher will go there. No plumbing yet. Sink. There's some plumbing started in there. And then just another set of cabinets. Over here we have a pantry. So if I open it, it's got all the slide outs. You can see. I should get back a little further. You can see the slide outs in each of these pantries. We love these. And also want to show all the new handles. All looking good. Really nice. A Vantium oven's going to go in that spot. Refrigerator will go here. And another set of pantries there. And then over here, we have the butler's pantry, so the uppers. And then the lowers. There'll be a beverage fridge in that empty hole there. And I want to do a close-up on the countertop. It's kind of like a concrete finish, but it's not. And then really no changes on the inside fireplace wall. We're still waiting for the mantle. So once the mantle gets delivered, that stone can get finished up. All right. I don't think there's a lot of changes back here, but pantry, same as usual. Electrical box and internet, still looking the same. The drywall repair guy has been here, so that's what you see all these marks on the wall for. I marked all the areas that had little imperfections that had to be fixed, so that's what that's all about. You can see some out here too. And then we've got a countertop in this bathroom. Really nice. And the sink. Don't have any other faucet hooked up yet, but that's okay. A couple of pretty big changes. So first of all, got a countertop now. We've got some light coming in from outside too, which is kind of neat. So, got the vanity. Toilet will be there. And then, voila. We've got tile on the back of the shower. And the tile on the front of the shower. And on the floor. Sloping nicely to the drain. And I think that pretty much covers all the inside changes. Other than this room's gotten cleaned up quite a bit on the floor. So you can start to see it taking shape. It had a few blemishes as well on the drywall. So, and then my favorite view down the hall. Love this. All right. I'll see you when we go outside. Get the other side. house here, the back porches. Check this out, fireplace wall. You can see it that well. Let me see it now. There we go. Awesome. Everybody around the porches. That looks great. You'll see on the porch here. I also want to get that looks great. Also want to look at the, I think that's the hood vent right there, the blower. They've already done all the way around here. And so in the house there. That looks good. Around the house here. And all the way to there. And this is the front side wall. It might be helpful to get perspective of the other walls from over here. How they kind of look. Maybe we better from over here. You probably all heard about the flooding we've been having here in Tennessee with all the rain, and wanted to give you a view from up top what it looks like. So, I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully you can. It's just a crazy amount of flooding. You can see the river right there. If I go down and get a slightly different view, you can see over here there's houses underwater in the community down below us. That's really awful. I don't know if you can see up here, it looks like kind of like a highway, but it's not. Hear the waterfall flying too.